Oh, this is so fun.
Huh?
This is the best day of my life.
National Friends Day. I'm as green as I wanna be. Cruising through the late night shifts on a jet ski, blowing smoke out my head. It's fine. I don't even know the time. I don't really know the feel. She don't even know what's up. Told her tell me how you really feel, but she don't really give a damn. Still tell me take a hand. Why we even turning up? You remember what the day is?
Alright, so I just woke up. Actually, I didn't just wake up, but I woke up a little while ago. Had some food, had a sandwich, orange juice, whatever. And we're gonna go head to Powder Mountain, and we're getting, I'll show you. Well, it actually just stopped snowing as soon as I started recording, but it was snowing for a little while, and they said they're supposed to get about 12 inches overnight. So yeah, it should be fun. I'll see you guys out there.
Pocket.
You're good right there.
Thanks, buddy.
This is pretty crazy. We arrived at Powder Mountain, and it's kind of like blizzarding outside. It feels like we're in Antarctica right now. Just take a look at this.
Certain you're writing cursive, take my hands and make it worth it.
It's gonna be frigid cold out there today, so got these wrist gaiters on. They're calling for about -15 degrees and wind chill, so it's gonna be pretty brutal. This is what it looks like out here. I'm gonna switch to the GoPro, and then we're gonna ski. It is on.
I'm as green as I wanna be. Cruising through the late night shifts on a jet ski, blowing smoke out my head. It's fine. I don't even know the time. I don't really know the feel. She don't even know what's up. Told her tell me how you really feel, but she don't really give a damn. Still tell me take a hand. Why we even turning up? You remember what the day is? Yeah, it's National Friends Day. Yeah. National FRIGID. National Friends Day.
Oh, that was nice.
Is it really who we are?
This
Is it
place
really
is
who I
awesome.
am? Is it really who you? Is it really about the green squares dumb? I don't even want to talk. I don't even want to text. I just really want your best. Something more but nothing less. All that stuff come from the chest, so I keep a vest on. Trying to keep me in the zone. Man, I feel so home alone. Swear my heart is hella broken, but I swear I play it cool. Love the party, love the function. Swear I'm looking like a fool. Well, whatever. I'ma do my own, yeah, yeah. Hey, swear I'm about to ghost, yeah, yeah. But I'm still here, cause hey, it's National Friends Day. National FRIGID. National Friends Day. FRND.
Watch the rock. Right there.
FRND.
Or no, that was a log or something. I almost ate shit.
FRND, do I know you? FRND, 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 friends.
This is so fun. This is the best day of my life.
Back the curtains, is it worth it? Always certain, constant burden. She's always flirting, my mind it's hurting, pain is potent, yeah I'm broken. Patiently learning, just kidding I'm burning, tables turning, chord adjourning. One thing for certain, you're right in cursive, take my hands and make it worth it.
Fresh powder all the way over here. This is unreal. It's really deep in there.
Best day ever. Alright, so we got one night run in and my toes started getting really cold, so I decided to call it a wrap, but we've got about 2 more night skiing days this trip and 7 more days of skiing, so I'll hopefully get some more good footage out. The GoPros both died a little earlier, so I'm left with this camera, but I got some cool footage, a few scenes, but hopefully I'll get some more tomorrow. See you guys then. Boom! Let's talk about what just went down. That was one of the coolest days of my life. Powder Mountain was awesome. Now don't worry, the Utah videos are far from over. Right now we're just back home filming or editing the last parts or portions that I want to add to this video. But talking about what just went down was like it brings back really awesome memories. Now let me start with when we got there, the amount of snow that was flying around everywhere and how windy it was.
The amount of wind was crazy today, or this day that we were at Powder Mountain. It was like a negative 15-degree blizzard going on out there. It was pretty nuts. It was, when we got there, we saw, it looked like the traffic or parking lot employees, or whatever you call them, looked like they were floating over the parking lot, because you couldn't see the ground at all, and all you could see behind them was white. That was really cool. You could see that earlier in the video, but once we got on the mountain, it was really awesome because the amount of untracked powder that we saw, and the tree skiing and the terrain, and the amount of like just awesome people there was really awesome. I just really loved that place because it felt like a place just for diehard skiers who want to just have a good time, not worry about lines or anything. So the first day at Powder Mountain, I have to say, was our best. Maybe the best day of the trip. It was just a really awesome day. There was a few days that were really awesome compared to that too. You'll see that soon. But really speaking for Powder Mountain, I mean, it just offered kind of an unforgettable experience, and a really unique one at that. We were there another day after, but I was having neck problems that day, so my skiing was impacted. Therefore, like, I couldn't ski that great, and I just didn't get great videos that day. Maybe you'll see some of that footage, but I highly doubt it. So this is probably the only Powder Mountain footage you're going to see right now, but I really hope it was enough. I really hope I get back there soon too, because that place was really just, it was mind-blowing. I'm really just kind of still, I mean, this is a month later I'm filming this, and I'm really just still mind-blown by the place. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Also, one more thing, forgot to mention that the editing process takes forever on these videos. I'm trying to get my videos out on a good schedule, but right now they're a little scattered, so don't mind that. I'm going to try to get on a good upload schedule soon. But if you guys enjoyed, please share them to your friends, to your family, to whoever, because I'm really trying to share these videos to as many people as I can. So if you really enjoyed them, please share them, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed. Peace out.
I'm as green as I wanna be, cruising through the late night shifts on a jet ski, blowing out, blowing smoke out my head. It's fine, I don't even know the time, I don't really know the feel. She don't even know what's up, told her tell me how you really feel, but she don't really give a damn. Still tell me take a hand, why we even turning up? You remember what the day is?